Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can blend two videos together. Just going to select this video and add this video on top of that, and then I want to blend these two together. So go to mask and go to split and split it like halfway. I'm just going to show you guys like blending it here, and just select this button and feather it out, and it kind of blends the video together instead of like a very harsh line. But you are able to see that the video is split in half, but this is just an example. You can use it in a lot of edits. For instance, like you edit like this bit. Okay, let me show you. So for instance, there's like a person walking here and you want them to disappear in this tree. So you can just go to mask and press split and put it like this on top, so that when the person walks, they won't be able to like be like seen here, because we did put another part of a video on top. So that's basically how you can blend in your videos. You can also blend them using overlay, like the blend mode. So like select another one, for instance, like this one, go to basic, go to blend mode, and choose the blend mode that you want to mesh them together. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!